Hey, what's up guys? Brock from Brockton Loaded out here. I want to do a little review on the Lantac Dragon Muzzle Brake. Been using this for a while, and in my opinion it's the best muzzle brake that compensates and brakes. So just want to do a little demonstration here, show you how flat it shoots. There you go guys. Hadn't shot an AR in quite a bit, probably, hell, I don't know, a few months, so that's really rusty. But one of the problems with this is I'm so used to driving it down to keep it on target that once you throw this muzzle brake on there, yeah, it's crazy. You actually push the barrel down yourself because you're compensating. So anyway, the faster you shoot, you just let it ride, the more it just kind of stabilizes itself. So there you go. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and really appreciate you watching.